What's going on? It is your boy Chris Cornell, co-founder of Brunch and Beats. E-Period and D9 Concepts presents Brunch and Beats ATL. This is the third annual D9 Unity Brunch. We got all the fraternities and sororities represented. Our presenter sponsor, Men of Excellence, with the mentorship. We got the book drive. We have shown up and showed out, sold out for today.
If I could give you this feeling, walk up in the spot on a Friday night. A few fine girls in this building. I bet it one or two that could do me right. Before I even get started, one fine girl come and took my hand, walked me out on that dance floor. Wild DiBiase played all the jams. She said, I don't know what you came for, but I got something you need. Gone, sip on this potion. Gone, get a little wet, boy. Look at here, shut it. I don't know what you came for, but I got something you need. That's when she dropped down, brought it back. Don't be scared and always prepare for contact like that.
Started harder than it's done before.